What's up, everybody? Rob here, and you are watching ThreadBanger versus 2018. That's right, it is a brand new year on ThreadBanger. This is the first video that we have put out on the channel, so I just want to say Happy New Year's to you and yours. Which actually brings me to right now. I am exercising. I'm walking around the neighborhood and getting my heart rate going. This year, Corinne and I have a resolution, and that is to get a little bit healthier. So we're gonna start exercising a little bit more. We're gonna start eating better, which brings me to today's project. 7-Up salad. Corinne's been talking about how we need to eat more salads, so I saw this and knew immediately that I needed to make one. Let's give it a whirl. All right, back at the house. It's a very rare treat, actually, that we have a 7-Up in the house. So in honor of that occasion, I'm gonna make myself a little cocktail here with this alien head vodka that one of you sent us in the mail. More specifically, an 8-year-old sent me this in the mail, which isn't legal, I'm pretty sure. This is definitely part of nutritious diet. A little bit of this, and a whole bunch of that, huh? Maybe a little more of that. Stir, garnish with a lime, and cheers! Happy fucking New Year! Woo! Let's make some salad! Alright, get yourself a big fucking bowl, and then 7 ounces of 7-Up. How the fuck do I measure that? Ounces? Are there ounces on here? Okay, alright. Oh, I can't see with the goddamn bubbles here. Alright, close enough. Pour that in there. 8-ounce bag of marshmallows? No, I did this wrong. God damn it, I gotta put this in a pan, not a bowl. All right, maybe this will work. Yeah, there we go. You mix this up here until everything dissolves. Huh? That looks good already. Now you add the Jell-O. Insert Bill Cosby joke here. Hey, hey, hey! And put that in. Oh yeah, that looks fucking gross. Oh, that smells terrible. Okay, I think that's what all the kids are doing. Now you just add the cream cheese. Wait, is it a whole thing of cream cheese? I don't know yet. Hold on. Oh, shit. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, sure. 6 ounces of cream cheese. Boom. All right, starting to get a little weird, but that's cool. I like cream cheese, and I like Jell-O. Whether or not these things go together, who the f knows, but I'm kind of digging it. This is the fucking workout right here. Holy shit. Woo! Working up a sweat over here. Next, you're gonna need some maraschino chicken cherries. I hate these things. Gross. I'm just gonna put a fucking few of these things in here. Ugh. Now, this is some Dr. Seuss looking shit here. And now you open up the crushed peaches. Ah! Oh, come on, you motherfucker. Come on, stupid fucking piece of shit. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah! Ah! Fuck! Ah! Woo! That's a gusher right there. That is a gusher. Whew. All right. Good times on a goddamn pineapple can. Happy goddamn New Year. That burns. Next, you want to drain out your blood as well as the pineapple juice and add the pulp to your mixture. Oh, wait. How much of that? I feel like that's too much. I don't know. Mix that up in there real good. That's festive, huh? Viola. Actually, if you have any left, put some in your drink. There's some more of this in there. Woo! And that's a party. Well, that is delicious. Here, you need to take a little sip of that. A little sippity-doo-dah, right? I don't even feel this anymore. What happened here? All right, moving on. Now things start getting a little fucked up around here. We gotta get some mayonnaise. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, definitely didn't think it was going to induce that reaction. All right, half a cup of mayonnaise. Ugh, gross. All right, now it's time to add your Cool Whip.
Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip.
Oh, that looks good, huh? Happy fucking New Year to me. All right, you put that in here. Boom. Okay, this is the part that's a little fucked up here. It smells real fucking mayonnaise-y and disgusting. This deserves a little taste as well. It's a little weird. Oh, got a nice finish. This could be interesting. All right. Now you just mix this with that. Now you do not want to waste any of this, so you get right in there. Woo! That's hot. Don't do that. Woo! Son of a bitch. Yep, that's still hot from the stove. All right, what a fucking fun time we're having here, huh? There we go. And now you just throw it into this thing. Yeah. All right. And now you just move this over here to the fridge. Oh, hold on, wait, I gotta fucking clean this goddamn thing out now. This over here. This fucking salsa's definitely out of date. These meatballs have been in here forever. Move that over there. there. Okay, all right. Make room, make room. There's a fucking 7-Up salad coming through. There we go. Now, you just leave that in here for, I don't know, till tomorrow, probably. In the meantime, I gotta clean up all this fucking mess. Jesus Christ. All right, I'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll eat this fucking shit for breakfast. Hey, top of the morning to you. It's time for a healthy breakfast. Let's see how this turned out. All right, that's looking hardened up. All right, how do we get it out of here? All right, ready? All right, should just slide right on out. What the fuck? How the fuck are we getting this thing out of here? All right, maybe separating it here a little bit from the edge. That looks good. All right, here we go. All right, come on here. God damn it. Boom, that's how you do that. There we go. Breakfast. What are you looking at? You don't want any of this. Huh? Check that out. That looks fucking disgusting. That's what that looks like. Oh, it smells terrible. Oh, woo! That's not what I thought it would smell like. Very mayonnaise-y. Oh yeah, that looks fucking gross. All right, here goes nothing. Try to get a part without the cherries. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, God. I'm a little nervous. Cheers. What? Yeah, this is fucking delicious. Who would have thought? You can smell the mayonnaise, you don't really taste the mayonnaise. Everything just blends perfectly together. You fucking kidding me? I mean, so many flavors. You got the pineapple coming in there. This is a fucking salad. Goddamn best diet I've ever been on. You should definitely try some of this. Here you go, take a little bit of that. Right? Yeah. Delicious. You do kind of get the mayonnaise in there a little bit, but it mixes itself with the 7-Up and the fucking pineapple and the whole thing. This is a taste sensation. Look at all these cherries. God damn it, get out of here. I feel like I should save some for Corinne, but I don't think I'm gonna tell her about this at all. Woo! All right, I just ate a lot of that salad. So let's recap here for a second. 7-Up fucking salad, pretty fucking delicious. Ingredients kind of weird you out a little bit, but in the end, spectacular. Ugh, that was a lot. I don't know if you're supposed to ingest that much mayonnaise all in one fucking sitting. Woo! Okay, well I better get to ending this video before anything. Oh. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Oh, God. Oh, gross. Awesome. I threw up all over this camera. Don't think that's gonna work anymore. Okay, I'll use this one instead. Oh, there it is. That's breakfast right there. Oh, God. The stench of mayonnaise and vomit. I gotta get out of here. Oh, Jesus. So bright. Oh, my God, fresh air. Whew. So that's how we're gonna start out the year, huh? That's how we're gonna do it. Happy fucking New Year. Do me a favor, subscribe. I don't know why you would want to do that, but like up this video, sure, right? Why not? Comment something down below. I don't give a shit. I'll see you around here. I'll see you around here next time. Oh, God.